Okay, so we got another exciting comic haul that I'm really excited to share to you guys. And this one, yeah, exactly from eBay. It's been a long time since my last purchase on eBay, but there's always like a thing that you can only find on eBay that you cannot find somewhere else. So there's no way I can find it. So I'm really excited on this one. And let's go. Let's unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So welcome back to Boy Bukas Toy Box, and let's unbox. Yeah, I'm happy that when you buy comics, it should properly wrap, and it should be wrapped really nicely. So I'm always happy that to find a seller that's also like a toy collector, I can say, or if it's a comics, it's also a comics collector. So they really know what's the buyer will expect, how you're gonna ship the items. I heard a lot of people that they receive their comics, their slab, really badly beaten. Like the slab was breakage all over the corners because they just ship it with, I think some they just put it on a bubble wrap, but on a plastic envelope only, not like this, like in a box. That's hard to like break what's inside. So okay, so I can say that it's really tough. I'm also kind of scared to just keep on ripping it off because I don't know if I already carried the comics part. Okay, so far it's looking good. Shout out to AOG Comics Collectibles, I guess, if I'm not mistaken, but there's always an AOD, and it's a Toronto-based comic seller for really making this packaging really a tough one. Yeah, I like this kind of packaging. I think this is really for comics. If you really want to ship this kind of box, so that's pretty cool. So one of my favorite seller now on eBay. And yeah, it's really fast shipping. It's really good. Though it don't ship on the weekend, or I guess on the holiday. But so far so good, because it was really packaged so nicely and tight. Now it's kind of scared me to remove everything or cut it. So I guess, but I think the top plastic is just like a shrink wrap. So I guess, yeah, okay, very cool. Yeah, so there's no, okay, yeah, nice. Okay, there you go. And okay, so there's a lot of, oh, okay, why this one don't have a plastic? Okay, I guess this is a pre-stop, isn't it? Ah, okay, just the promotional. Okay, I still appreciated that. That's pretty cool. So, Best of the Mighty Marble Black Release. Looks like an old release. It's really cool. I like it. Maybe, I guess what I bought is somewhere here. Don't know. Maybe I should give a AOD message on eBay and put a good review. And maybe he can tell me more about this promotional comics. Because I also usually grab from the comics shop once I visited them if I find something new. Yeah. It's cool. There's a lot of cool stuff inside. Lots of good information. Yeah, I think this is last year. Okay, anyway, enough for that. And why I'm excited on this one, just to tell you guys, my college friend is the artist of the cover on all these comics. And I got in touch to him, I think, yeah, just 2 weeks ago. Because after that, I just bought this and then wait till it's shipped here. So, yeah, it's a nice conversation, a nice, what's going on. So, I know he's already doing a lot of comics stuff. Most of his sketches is really expensive now. You can see it on eBay. So, there you go, guys. Introducing Oliver Castañeda. Yeah, since we're in the college in architectural, instead of he's drawing a house or building, he's drawing a comics. So, okay, so part looks so good. So, there you go. So, Vampirella #1. Not too sure when this was created. Looks like really old. Like 2019, I guess, if I see it right. That's really cool. Still in a mint condition. And this one, I really love how he created this one. And the way, look at those, look like he's using like a technical pen, most of those straight lines. And this, what do you call this? The title name. Really great idea on this one. So now we know they still watch their mass. And another cool one here. This was totally a lot of things going on. Really a good show of skill here. It's issue 99, recover. And yeah, I believe most of this is like an independent releases. So we got the 2098 and the 99. And this one, Amalgama Space Zombie. Okay, so part looking good. Including Raymond Lee here. It's a really nice cover. AOD exclusive variant. Okay, there you go. Very nice. Yeah, sometimes he's one of those comics doing some great sketches for the kids or like fun racing things. So he's really a good guy, really nice. So far this is really good. So okay, so this is graphics book, and so far so good. Thanks. Yeah, I just really love to share it to you guys. I hope you like it. I hope you, yeah, so maybe just find Oliver Castañeda on eBay and you can find a lot of good artworks there created by the man. Thank you guys again. for watching. I hope you like this video. Why not, of course, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet and you wanna check out all my videos, so mostly I am doing some Japanese toys and some anime figures, and of course the comics, everything that I love to share it to you guys. And so maybe you find it interesting. Why not subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you're always updated to all my latest uploaded videos. Once again, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next episode. And peace out. Boom.